Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Kanika classes.
So, my dear students, let us start chapter number 16, pollution. This is one of the most important chapter for your board exams. Pollution. Students, pollution is a rising environmental problem. Because of pollution, the natural quality of the environment is degraded. The substances that cause pollution are called pollutants. There are many examples of waste material around us that act as pollutant in our environment. Any unwanted material that is not useful to us is waste. Waste can be of two types: biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste can be easily degraded by microorganisms, whereas non-biodegradable waste cannot be degraded by microorganisms. Pollution can be of many types, but here in this chapter we will talk about five basic types of pollution, that is air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, radiation pollution, and noise pollution. So the first type of pollution is air pollution. Air pollution means degradation of the air quality. It is of two types: gaseous air pollution or particulate air pollution. In gaseous air pollution, harmful gases are given out from various sources. But in particulate air pollution, particles like dust, smoke, mining are the pollutants. But what can be the sources of air pollution? Yes, the sources of air pollution can be either natural or man-made. Natural sources such as volcanoes, forest fires, storms, and man-made sources, the uses of industries, automobiles, garbage burning, etc. So thank you, students. In the next video, we will be continuing the same chapter. Good morning, students. Welcome to Kanika classes. This video is the second part of pollution chapter for 10th class. So let us talk about air pollution. The sources of air pollution can be vehicular air pollution, industrial, burning of garbage, and brick kilns. Dear students, it can be a car or a bus that uses petrol or diesel, thus giving out CO2, SO2 and CO as gaseous pollutant. But how can we control that? By the use of efficient engine, good quality of automobile fuel, lead-free petrol, and greater use of CNG, compressed natural gas. Students, smoke is the visible suspension of carbon emitting from burning substance. But when it gets mixed with dust particle and small drops of fog, it produces smoke. Smoke is harmful to plants and animals and even human beings. The five major sources of water pollution are household detergents, sewerage, industrial waste, oil spills, and thermal pollution. The liquid waste produced by factories consisting of harmful chemicals is called effluents. In case of thermal pollution, the hot water is released from the industries and is being poured in streams, rivers, or even sea. That causes the killing of fishes due to rise in the temperature. So the major sources of soil pollution are industrial waste, urban, commercial and domestic waste, chemical fertilizers, biomedical waste and pesticides. Solid domestic waste is collected by municipal workers and dumped for proper disposal. A part of this can be converted into manure and the rest can be dumped in sanitary landfills, where the waste are dumped in a ground, depressed and covered with dirt every day. Hello students, welcome to Kanika classes. This video is related to pollution chapter for 10th class. So students, up till now we have completed air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution. In case of soil pollution, chemical fertilizers and biomedical waste, that is the syringes, needles, etc. and pesticides are also there. Now next part is the radiation pollution. Radiation is a form of energy consisting of high energy particles. Nuclear power plants are the sources of nuclear radiations. X-rays used in hospital is also a form of high energy particles and are also harmful to us. Many examples of nuclear power plant have been given in your book. You have to read that. The pollution which is caused due to the presence of noise is called noise pollution. Noise can be anything that is unpleasant or undesired to us. It will interfere with our hearing and concentration. Pollution affects the environment, humans, and other life in numerous ways. So let us see what are the different effects of pollution. The effect of pollution on climate and environment. First is acid rain. Second, greenhouse effect and global warming. Third, ozone layer depletion. The emission standards are set up by the central government to check on the pollutant levels emitted by vehicles that use combustion engines. This is Euro-Bharat Vehicular Standard. And I hope students, you all know about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So my dear students, you have to read this complete chapter from your book. Thank you.